Did you know that a full 2/3 of salespeople fail to meet their sales quotas? And did you know that half of all sales teams do not have a playbook? Hi, I'm Ron Callis, CEO of One Firefly. We will be teaching educational webinars for technology integrators to learn how to increase sales and project size by using the discovery selling method. As a takeaway for attending this course, we will give you, for free, 3 templates. One, we're going to give you a template for collecting project scope information. 2, we're going to give you a sample document that you can use to deliver project scope and budget to your client. And 3, we're going to deliver to you a sample design contract that you could issue to your client to ensure that you're paid during the discovery and design phases. The discovery selling method has been proven to increase sales for home and commercial integrators around the world. Perhaps you have great sales talent and you're simply looking to improve your close ratio. Or perhaps you've hired sales talent in the past and they did not realize the type of growth and profits that you were hoping for. Well, the discovery selling method can change that. This webinar is 100% free to attend from anywhere in the world, but space is limited. So go to firefly-cs.com/discovery selling method and start taking the steps to achieve greater sales success today. I'll see you soon.